Just to give you some idea of the attendance, we have more than 2,600 people at this conference right here on site. We also have a significant regulatory presence with 17 regulatory speakers, including FDA, EMA, Health Canada, HPRA, the European Commission, and the World Health Organization. We had a FOIA event that was doubled in attendance from last year. And it was a wonderful event recognizing the best and brightest in terms of facility design and operation that focused primarily on what these facilities do for patients.
This is the best time to be in the pharmaceutical industry. There was collective pride, right? And those collective pride was met with collective achievement. And I think collective achievement is the best way I can describe this meeting, right? It celebrates company agnostic success in moving industry paradigms forward. It only works because of you. Each of you show up here and make this the marquee space for knowledge exchange. How do we work and discuss topics today that are embracing and shaping our future tomorrow?
There were over 2,600 attendees this year. If you could add 2,600 people to your organization right now, imagine what you could get done. We have that. This is global. This is one ISPE.